Parang friend mo lang, no? Pag kailangan nandyan siya. May drill sa kapitbahay. Ayaw ko naririnig. Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Howie and today we are going to organize my bags. Yes, you heard that right. I usually take 3 bags with me on a daily basis for my essentials. At kung nakikita nyo yung gulo dito sa gilid ko, that's because we are going to organize the contents of my bag. So kung sa what's in my bag, tinatanggal yung laman, dito naman, ipapasok natin yung laman. So parang what's in my bag, na-reverse siya. As mentioned, I use 3 bags. The first bag that I use is my gym bag. Ito yung gym bag ko. This is a Uniqlo faux leather bucket bag. Ayan siya, guys. I like using this sa gym because it's sturdy and accessible yung contents pag kailangan sa gym. Pwede siyang isabit, ilapag, and so on. Okay? The second bag that I use on a daily is this very large, I think this is extra large, Lacoste tote bag. Ito influence to ni Justin Bangsil. Dito ko nilalagay yung mga just in case items, yung mga hindi naman talaga kailangan pero maganda na dala natin just in case, okay? I have 2 choices sa magiging bag ko for this week. The first choice is this Coach mini duffel bag or this Dior men's soft saddle. I think itong gagamitin natin this week because very busy para hindi mahagard si Dior, gamitin natin si Coach. Meron akong notes ng mga essentials na dapat nakalagay sa mga bags. Categorize siya into main bag, sa big bag, at sa gym bag. Let's start with my main bag. The first one on the list is my card holder. This one I got from Instagram as thread leather. Pwedeng i-personalize like this. Okay, lagay na natin. The second one on the list is shades or sunnies. This one is Kenneth Cole. Nagsi-shades ako madalas because we wanted to avoid the crow's feet pag nasisilaw tayo. Diba? Lagay natin sa side. Third on the list is alcohol and sanitizer. So I have this alcohol and this sanitizer. Bigay to sa akin ng good friend kong si Joseph. Thank you. Yan, lagay na natin. Fourth one is wipes. Alam niyo na yan. Pag malagkit yung kamay or pag inabutan sa labas. Yan. Kailangan din natin ng hand cream. Sa trabaho ko, madalas makipag-shake hands. Kailangan laging malambot yung kamay natin. So, hand cream is the best for that. Ito, bigay to ni Jefferson. Another good friend of mine. Thank you. Next are ball pen and Sharpie. Ayan, dapat lagi meron yan. Next one is cash. I don't usually carry a lot of cash. Nagdadala lang ako ng sapat lang. But for the times na hindi tumatanggap yung establishment ng online like GCash, Maya, or bank transfer, just to avoid the anxiety and the stress, nagadala ako ng konting cash. So ito wala pang 1,000 pesos. Of course, we need to have our phone in our bag. Next one is as a tito, kailangan meron tayong inhaler. This comes handy if medyo nahihilo-hilo or gusto lang natin mag-relax. Ito, inhaler. Then, perfume of the day. So, yung perfume ko, depende sa mood. Previously, ito yung dala ko, kaya lang sobrang laki. This one is MFK Gentle Fluidity. Pero, nung Christmas party, natanggap ko sa White Elephant ba yun, yung exchange gift. Itong Aficionado Perfume F57. Sobrang bango din. Thank you, Ma'am Neri, for this one. Ito yung gagamitin ko for this week. And of course, our house keys. Itong case na to galing din sa Astrid Leather on IG. I usually carry flyers pero naubusan ako. Kasama ng flyers are my samples. Ito yung mga samples ko ng products ng I Am Worldwide. Ito usually ina-attach ko sa flyers para naman matry ng mga nami-meet ko yung ganda ng mga produkto ng I Am Worldwide. So I have here cafe latte, acai berry, pure barley, and yung ating cafe macchiato. So, lagi yan nasa bag. And last but not the least, I have face mask. So, ito, it comes handy also pag nafe-feel ko na may umaaching-aching na or umuubo na sa paligid ko or pupunta ako sa maraming tao, usually nagfe-face mask ako. Siyempre, pag-iingat na lang din kasi mahal magkasakit. So, sarado na natin. That is for my daily bag. May strap din pala to guys, no? Pag gusto nating i-crossbody. Next is my gym bag. So, let's organize the gym bag naman this time. So, sa gym bag, konti lang naman yung laman. It's usually just gloves. Then next is yung grip. Ito sa TikTok shop lang to. And then, face towel. Tapos, pag nasa gym ako, tina-transfer ko yung perfume dito, just in case kailangan ng perfume, pati yung alcohol. And then, yung supplement ko and water, nilalagay ko every morning dito. So, yun usually yung laman ng aking gym bag. So, let's now go to the just in case bag. Ito yung bag ni Mary Poppins. Okay? Ito na nilagay. First on the list is yung aking passport pouch. So, just in case kailangan yung passport, nandito siya. So, nandito pati yung old passports natin. And lagi lang nasa bag yan. Second is yung aking checkbook. Ito, madalang na magamit pero just in case kailangan, nandito siya. And then, yung laptop and yung laptop charger, dito rin yan nilalagay. Nasa kabilang room lang. Of course, kailangan din ng wipes. And of course, kailangan din natin ng notebook and ballpen. For note-taking, pag may mga meetings. And then, yung mga camera gears like itong mga tripods, mga selfie stick, dito yan nakalagay. Just in case. Madalang lang naman magamit pero nandyan lang din siya. Yung headphones ko, ginagamit ko to pag walking. And lastly, meron akong dinadalang hygiene kit. Ito siya. Dito meron ditong floss, hand cream, alcohol, toothbrush, toothpaste, tissue. Ayan, alam nyo naman kung para saan na yan, di ba? So, lagi lang din yan nasa big bag. O pahabol na miss out ko sa listahan, itong pouch na included sa Lacoste bag, dito ko nilalagay yung mga passbooks. Para pag kailangan, nandyan siya. Parang friend mo lang, no? Pag kailangan, nandyan siya. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sana meron kayong napulot kahit papano. Or kung may suggestion kayo na pwede pang idagdag sa mga bitbitin natin sa bag natin on a daily, comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like and subscribe to this channel. Until next time, bye! Another pahabol. Ito guys, may isa pang pouch pa pala dito. Dito, yung maraming samples. Di ba sa main bag ko, pa isa-isa lang yung samples. Ito, marami siya. So, dito ako kukuha to refill the main bag. Sa big bag din to mapupunta. Another pahabol guys, coin purse pala para sa mga nagpa-parking or pag yung cashier nang hingi ng barya, 'di ba? Nasa main bag lang din to. Ito medyo mabigat siya.